Have you ever thought on how big data and manual welding fit together? At least I have, and I'm happy to explain. Of course, we start with a definition. What are big data? Big data means that the amount of data is so huge that a human being cannot evaluate this data in a reasonable time frame. And yes, in manual welding, we create big data. Nowadays, so-called data management systems are state-of-the-art. So these systems measure the electrical parameters, voltage, amperage, but also wire usage and gas usage. And if you look, for example, at the electrical parameters, these are measured with 1 kilohertz. That means 1,000 measurements per second. And if you imagine now an average welding speed in the range of 0.3 to 0.6 meters per minute, this means you generate up to 1 million measuring points for 1 meter of weld. This is big data. So what can you do now with this big data? Because data on its own don't have a value. Of course, you can derive values now for consumption of energy, of wire and gas, but you can also calculate productivity data and, in your developments, even quality data. So as you can see, big data and manual welding fit together.